Welcome if you're new. Welcome. If you came back, welcome. My name is Friencine, and today we are going to be talking about my rules for my no spend January for 2025. I have been tasked, of course, I tasked myself with doing a no spend. I haven't done a no spend before. I've done a no spend week, but now I'm doing a no spend month. So I had to sit down and be one with myself and determine what's my non-negotiables, what are things I cannot do, cannot buy, and things that I can buy. So right now I'm writing unnecessary things, Amazon, new clothes, eating out, buying breakfast, because that is an area where I always spend the money. I'm gonna spend some money on some breakfast, paying for coffee. That's also another thing. Breakfast food and coffee. Things that I can do is cook and eat at home. So I do have a little portable crock pot that I bring to work with me. It stays at work. And I put the food in that little crock pot and warm up my food. And yeah, that has been working for me. And if I don't bring food for lunch, I just don't eat lunch. A bad habit, but it's reality. Using products to the very last drop is something that I can do just to curb my spending, like having 50 million things at the same time. Also, DIY maintenance. So I'm doing my own lashes, doing my own nails, doing my own hair, doing my own brows. I have a lot of materials for these things. I do have like the cluster lashes, I have the gel nails. So using that to utilize my materials. I'm only buying essentials. So essentials, groceries, toiletries. If I have a gift card, it is allowed. So if I have a gift card to my favorite local coffee shop by my job, I'm going to use it. That is not me spending my money. That is using a gift card. So God bless my co-teacher for getting that for me. Super excited for that. Also, I am packing lunch every day. If it's funded by my sinking fund, I'm going to use it because that was me intentionally saving for that item, and I'm going to use that money to get that item. In-house DIYs is something that I'm going to be doing a lot of. So if I have face masks, I'm going to use it just to pamper myself during this hard time. These are my goals to ground myself in the why I'm doing it, is to recover from Christmas, because Christmas was a time. For February, save $1,000 for my trip that's happening in February. Catch up and basically jumpstart my renewed financial journey. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing how I map out my do's and my don'ts and my goals. And I hope you do the same for any no spend that you're doing in the up and coming year. Just grounding yourself in things that you are going to do, not going to do, and your goals. All right, see you.